Please don't forget to like our page on Facebook and to subscribe on YouTube. What you will need is some tape, a pencil or a pen, some scissors, modelling clay, some sticks and a cereal box. When you've got shadow puppets, you need to remember there has to be a clear area in the centre of your screen where your puppets can be seen. So here's our base, and I'm going to have trees coming in, so this is going to be a garden. And trees, really quick way to do trees is triangles that overlap like this. So they're like Christmas trees or fir trees. And you'll be able to do that. Now I've speeded this up a bit so that we can get it done quickly. You can go as quickly or as slowly as you need to. Just pause the video. I've also added some shrubs. They can be flowers or rocks or anything, things for the puppets to hide behind. And now I'm going to work out what I need to cut out. Okay, with the scissors, sharp scissors, be careful please. Usual thing, we'll do a rough cut around the edge first. And then we're going to use the same method that I told you about in the wobble monster, which is cutting from the outside in. So I'll do the first one here, the second one. I've lined up a few here. So carefully cutting from the outside in, and then those bits drop out. Okay, there we go. Again, I've speeded this up because it takes a while and I didn't think you wanted to watch me doing loads of cutting out. Off we go. Take your time when you're cutting out and do it as best you can. You can pause the video and come back to it. To the inside of the trees and over the plants, flowers, whatever you choose. And then tidy up as you go, always a good thing. Nice neat bit of work around those shrubs. There we have it, landscapes. Okay, let's test it with our screen just to check it works. It's got that extra bit of card on, and that means it will stand up, which is really good. You might need to put a weight on the back, turn the torch on, or whatever light you're using, and there it is. Let's have a look from the other side. Here it is. And in comes our wobble monster Brutus. Wonderful. And that is how we make shadow puppet landscapes. Please don't forget to like our page on Facebook and to subscribe on YouTube.